want to do a short video about home repairs that aren't done correctly, but that are a start. This was 8 years ago. I framed this window. I'm coming back. This is a rental now, and totally framed it incorrectly. Look at that. No cripples, stacked sill plates in order to fit the window size to the window, but the window is holding. I didn't do it the way you're supposed to. I didn't realize what was going on. It looks like the vertical strength of my boards is holding it up. So just encouragement. This is not how I'd frame a window now. Look at these L brackets. And this, I needed to vent the bathroom. I was scared of the plaster and lath ceiling. So we took the, look at that. You probably think I'm doing something I shouldn't with this setup. But it worked in hindsight, and now when I'm redoing it, I'm definitely going to put a vent fan and light combo in, but I don't know, just encouragement that sometimes the way you do things, the first isn't quite right, but that it's a start, and it works.